You know, it's coronavirus. YouTube baby, this your girl Brickett, and today I will be giving you guys a review on this Dyson Airwrap blow dryer. Right here, you guys, you see me, I've already washed, conditioned, and put heat protected serum in my hair, and you're just gonna see me blow dry my hair and do what I need to do, and at the end I will be giving you a review. This hurts. Okay, my hair is soft. Oh, yes, this is my hair. It's soft. Okay. My ends feel a hot mess, but I'm just my end. Ugh. But I'm gonna do this side and I'll be back. Girl, bye. It went straight in there, y'all. That would be a negative. My hair is shedding on the floor. I don't think it's this, it's just pretty sure my ends need to be cut some more. I just had a trim like 4 weeks ago. I'm not due for another 4 weeks, but because of Corona, I can't go to the shop. So. I don't know if you can see that. But a lot of my hair is on the floor. Yeah, that's how my hair is looking. Is my hair glossy and shiny? I don't know. It looks the same to me. But my hair is soft, my ends aren't, but those are my dry ass ends. So. Let me go get my flat iron. Yeah, I do have Still's disease. It's kind of like rheumatoid arthritis, but it's something else. So my hands will cramp up. So yeah, and I have this Baby Bliss Pro Titanium iron. So yeah, I don't know what setting to put this on. I quit. It's not fair. Like why? I mean, it's straight, but why I can't get silky? Please. I don't want to do no more passes, because I'm going to fuck my hair up. Fuck it. I'm going to go with this shit in a ponytail. I don't know how to do this shit. I give it up. I tried. That's all I could do. I don't. Fuck it. I'm getting my friend over here and he gonna do it. I don't want to put no more heat on my hair. I'm not going to put no more heat on my hair. I can't do this shit. How the fuck do they get this shit silky? I give up, but let me go and flat iron this part. Fuck my life. Okay guys, this was me after I finished blow drying my hair and flat ironing. Do I think this blow dryer is worth $500? Do I think you should go out and buy it? No, it's too much money, especially for black women, when we can't use all the damn tools that it come with. Now, if we could just get the blow dryer and the 2 attachments and it'll be cheaper, then yes. But for us to have to pay all that money when it don't work on our type hair, no. So that's why I say it's not worth it. Now, I do love the blow dryer. I do like the brush attachments. So that's what made me want to keep it, because I do have Still's disease, and it does help with the tension and pain of my hands when trying to do my hair. And also, I think it's worth it because it promotes, or it says that you won't get heat damage, because what's inside of the dryer, you won't get heat damage on your hair. So if you look at the long run, me trying to do my own hair versus going to the shop is probably about the same amount of money. So this way I don't have to go to the beauty shop just to get a silk press. I can do it on my own. But like I said, I I'm not gonna put that much heat on my hair, so it's low-key not worth it. But am I gonna keep it? Probably. I got a couple more weeks before I can send it back, but I'm probably gonna keep it. Like I said, I got mine financed for 24 months, so I'm gonna pay it off before then. But I got mine financed for 24 months with no interest, so that's the only reason why I bought it. But do I think it's worth the investment? No. Will I be keeping it? Yes. But like I said, I wish they just sold the hair dryer and the two brushes and the concentrated attachment versus the wand and whatnot. I'm not gonna use that unless I use it on my weave, which my curls were popping when I put my wig on and I did the wand. Beautiful. But like I said, it's just not made for our type of hair. But like I said, the blow dryer and the brush attachments, cool. But $500, no. Nah, fam, nah. Alright, YouTube babies, thank you for watching my video. Bye.